male reproductive system का the part we are doing that will be seminiferous tubule. As the name indicates seminiferous. फेरा is a bearing, जैसा पॉरीफेरा था. Semen is a semen bearing tubule are known as seminiferous tubule. These seminiferous tubule, as I've told you, they are like this 1 to 3 coiled structure present within this type of structures. They are testicular lobules. Testicular lobules, they are nearly 250. So each testicular lobule may have 1 to 3 seminiferous tubule. ये जो seminiferous tubules हैं, ये there are यहाँ देखिए, they are lined by, if you have remembered animal tissue, they are lined by cuboidal epithelium. Very important. They are lined by the germinal tissue, and that germinal tissue is a cuboidal. And these cells here, this is the TS of a seminiferous tubule. TS of seminiferous tubule. TS of seminiferous tubule, where they are lined by single layer of germinal epithelium. This is a germinal epithelium. Germinal epithelium. These germinal epithelium are cuboidal. Cuboidal epithelium. These germinal epithelium, and they have few large pyramidal cells. These are pyramidal cells, so very important. They are known as Sertoli cells or nurse cells. As the name indicates, nurse, they nourish the spermatozoa. Or subtentacular cell. Subtentacular cell. They are Sertoli cell, nurse cell, or subtentacular cells. This is TS of a seminiferous tubule, which shows the germinal epithelium. They are cuboidal epithelium. And these are the pyramidal cells. Pyramidal cells are Sertoli cells, nurse cells. And these Sertoli cells, they provide attachment and nutrition to developing sperm. They provide nutrition to developing sperm. ये Sertoli cells न्यूट्रिशन प्रोवाइड करते हैं. नोट डाउन दिस जल्दी से. we have started with the seminiferous tubule, semen bearing, सीमेन बनाते हैं सेमिनिफेरस ट्यूब्यूल, एंड ये 1 2 3 एक टेस्टिकुलर लोब्यूल्स में, टोटल लोब्यूल्स 250 के करीब हैं हर एक टेस्टिस में. नाउ कम टू स्पर्म कैसे बनते हैं. स्पर्म फॉर्मेशन. और इसको स्पर्मेटोजेनेसिस भी कहा जाता है. देखिए, ये मैंने बताया कि ये हमारे पास क्यूबॉइडल सेल्स थे, जर्मिनल एपिथेलियम, और जर्मिनल एपिथेलियम अंडरगोज माइटोसिस. ये सेल्स दे अंडरगोज माइटोसिस the germ cell undergoes mitosis to form spermatogonia. Spermatogonia. This is spermatogonia. The spermatogonia, it grows in size. It grows in size spermatogonia grows into size to form primary spermatocyte. Primary spermatocyte. In primary spermatocyte, meiosis takes place. Here the meiosis takes place, and they are changed into, or they form primary spermatocyte में meiosis 1 होगी, and they will become secondary spermatocyte. Secondary spermatocyte. Then the second meiotic division takes place. Then the second meiotic division takes place. And here we have these are four spermatids. Four spermatids. Here meiosis 1 takes place, and here meiosis 2 takes place. So in this way, four spermatids are formed. The four spermatids then change into spermatozoa. The spermatids mature into spermatozoa or the sperm. So in short, we can say this primary यहाँ देखिए, this is the germinal epithelium. They change into this spermatogonia into the primary spermatocyte. प्राइमरी स्पर्मेटोसाइट में meiosis 1 हुई, सेकेंडरी स्पर्मेटोसाइट बना, देन meiosis to form 4 spermatid, and each spermatid mature into spermatid mature into 4 sperm or spermatozoa. This is sperm formation or spermatogenesis. Once again, keep this thing in mind, is a very important. पहला spermatogonia है. Spermatogonium changes into primary spermatocyte, then in the secondary spermatocyte, then in the spermatids. Note on this. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट है. इसको एक बार फिर से करवाऊंगा मैं. Now let us continue with the further with the. यहाँ देखिए, अब हम ने एक पार्ट किया